Hello everyone, I'm Steve, a soldering engineer at Japanunix. Today I will talk to you about implementing soldering robots. What's the most important thing to consider when introducing a soldering robot? In our experience with many cases, the answer is preparation. Remember these 3 key points I'll cover today to ensure a smooth startup. The first point is pre-testing. Soldering is known for its craftsmanship and precision. Your product specifications and factory environment can impact the quality. Pre-testing helps us derive the successful soldering methods, identify potential causes of failure, and rigorously verify, quantify, and analyze them. By visualizing the process, you must be ready to address issues proactively. The second point is positional accuracy. To make the soldering robot work as intended, you need to focus on 3 key positions. First, the soldering tip. The tip directly contacts the product, which can expand, wear out, or change shape due to heat. It's essential to consistently check its position. Next is the solder feed. While solder is a metal, it becomes a liquid above 220 degrees Celsius. Because liquid solder can move unpredictably, you need to monitor the solder feed's position carefully. Lastly, the product itself. For example, if there are pins connecting to the product's components, their position can affect heat transfer. Measuring and verifying tolerance limits are crucial. The third point is maintenance planning. It's essential to plan for changes due to aging and usage in advance. First, perform regular replacement of parts like the soldering tip. This ensures consistent quality. Next, regularly clean the flux residues on the tip and head. This helps prevent misalignment and operational issues. Finally, conduct periodic inspections of control elements like temperature. This helps prevent the occurrence of variable changes. In the automotive industry, there's a term called chokotai, which refers to a temporary halt in the entire production line. Frequent stops due to defects or equipment errors can lead to chokoti. Regular maintenance helps prevent short stoppage, thereby improving both quality and efficiency. Pre-testing, positional accuracy, and maintenance planning. Focusing on and implementing these 3 aspects during installation is the key to a smooth startup. At Japanunix, we're always ready to assist you. Feel free to reach out to us anytime. See you next time.